I am using a shiny polyester taffeta, and this pouch is going to be 30 times 40 centimeters when it's finished. So now I'm measuring 34 alongside the grain line, and then I am doing this for 85 centimeters. So I'm cutting 34 times 85 centimeters. You need to zigzag all the edges. Remember to zigzag right on the edge. On the long sides I fold 1.5 centimeter towards the wrong side. Pin it and press it. Do that on both long sides. Sew with a straight stitch and 1 centimeter in seam allowance. On the short edges you start by folding 1 centimeter towards the wrong side, pin and press, and then you fold one more time 4 centimeters towards the wrong side, pin and press. Do this on both short edges. On the right side I sew with 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. In this way I'm going to hem the short edges. I'm using a decorative seam. You can use a straight stitch if you want. Now I sew one more time, this time with the straight stitch, and I am using a 2 centimeter seam allowance. So I get a space in between the seams. Fold the pouch in the half and match up your folded edges. Pin the sides, and as you can see now you have the right sides out. Sew the sides with a straight stitch. This time you should sew quite close to the folded edge. Sew until you get to your decorative seam, and then you should backstitch. Press the pouch and then you cut 2 pieces of satin ribbons. They should be 1 meter each, and then you use a safety pin to insert the ribbons. You start with one of the ribbons and you start on one of the sides, and then you go all the way around, so you go out on the same side. Tie this ribbon together, and then you start on the other side with the other ribbon, and you go all the way around with that one too and tie it together. In this way you get a closening that will easily close from the both sides. And now your pouch is finished. Maybe you're going to make Christmas pouches or something else. If you want, you can visit my Patreon, So for Kids, where you will find patterns for clothes and more.